What's going on, guys? All right, so we've got this beautiful Audi R8. I'm pretty sure it's brand new. We're doing this thing in a print. It's gonna look amazing. It's a GalaxyPrint. So we can get prints for any car, any shape, any size, and pretty much any design you want. So if you're looking for something like that, we can do something like that. It isn't a problem at all. I'm gonna show you the print right now and sort of what it's gonna look like. All right, so it's a GalaxyPrint. So you might have seen something like this before. Pretty common. This is the hood piece actually. And we're doing this at Concept Auto Salon. I'm doing this with my man Johnson. Johnson's gonna help out, and we're gonna bang this thing out in a couple of days. We're in the process of stripping the car down right now, so we've got to make sure it looks good. Got to get the mirror off. Nice that there's no door handles to take off. Side marker, probably remove the bumper and stuff like that, just to get the grill out and maybe the headlights. As you can see, I'm not sure how flush this sits, but we're going to wrap a little bit up into here because there is that color that goes up inside. We want to make sure we have full coverage. There is some trim around here as well, so obviously some small pieces. We got to make sure we do all of this really nicely and make sure there's full coverage everywhere. It can be a little bit more challenging with prints because you're limited to what you have, and you have to line things up as well. So I'm going to do a couple of videos on how we go about doing this. I don't do a lot of prints. I do know how, and you know, it shouldn't be too bad. I mean, as far as this material goes, I'm not really certain what brand of film it is. I'll show you the backing so you can see this. I didn't order this, so it says Quintac, and this is not something that I'm familiar with, but either way, we're gonna make it happen. Let's check out the air release. So it's got a diamond air release. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's see, let that focus. There we go. So you can see it has a diamond air release pattern. And yeah, gray backing, obviously to retain the color. And yeah, we're gonna line all this up and make it look pretty. Let's do a quick little walk around the car so I can show you what's up and some of the things that we're going to be doing where we might have to do an inlay, and so because inlays are gonna definitely be a thing when you're doing a car like this. Oh, there is door handles. I didn't even notice them. They're underneath they're underneath that little edge there. So let's go over the car and let's have a look at it. All right. So I'm just in the process of removing the logos. Car is freshly washed as of yesterday. There's the door handle, so that's going to be a fun guy right there because look at the recess in there. So we're going to have to do some kind of an inlay in here. Of course, it's not going to stretch in there and make it. Otherwise, the outside is pretty straightforward. It's fairly flat. We do have to do small little bits like in here. So I'll open the door so you can see, because this piece will show. So it's going to be a little challenging. We want to do a nice job. A lot of shops won't do a nice job when it comes to prints, just because they can kind of get away with it. Hides a lot. We've got to get the spoiler off. It's going to be fun to take that off. As far as the rear bumper goes, I don't believe that we're going to need an inlay in here. We should be all right as long as we lay the film in properly. So you can see it is quite a recess down here, but we can take a lot of tension from the top area and bring it down. So it should be fine. I don't see that being so much of a problem. Let's have a look at the front bumper. So front bumper, pretty basic, guys. Like, this is not, it looks really nice. I love the large grille on it. Looks really nice, and it's super basic. Like, there isn't much of a front bumper there. So we just have this skinny little piece across the bottom. This skinny little piece across the bottom. Nothing across the top. And then we just got to work our way around these vents, I suppose you want to call them, because I don't see any fog lights there. But yeah, got a little carbon fiber lip on it, and that's it. So it's going to be pretty straightforward as far as the wrap goes. It's going to be a little bit different since it is a print, but a lot of the same techniques and principles that I apply will be used for this vehicle right here, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. We're going to get onto the hood. The hood's fairly wide, as you can see. It's like a front fender, and a hood all in one, so it's a large piece. It's not a small piece. Bonus, there's no front fender to wrap, so you kind of get the hood and the front fender done all at once. We got these little guys right here, so we have to go through the pieces and make sure that we have all the pieces that we need to line them up properly. That way we put the hood obviously in the correct position. We don't turn it around 180 because that'll be easy to do if we do it wrong. So we're just gonna do it like that. And yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like this car, give it a thumbs up because it's amazing. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button because I got more coming up. Thanks.